All right, guys, welcome back to the channel today. We have Ryan Barnes. If you guys want to follow him, we're dropping the link down below.
Barnesy Bowling.
And today we are picking each other's bowling balls. We got 5 apiece. We're throwing them for 2 frames apiece, and we're just going to cycle through some bowling balls, hopefully giving each other the largest disadvantage. Hey, good luck.
You're going to need it. First.
Everybody wants me to go first.
What ball would you want to start with? So he likes the shiny balls. We're not letting him throw the shiny balls in the 10th frame.
3 of them. I got 3 of them.
You get the ethos, the zigzag, and the hazmat. But I want to see the zigzag in the first frame.
Zigzag?
Zigzag.
League ball. Too much zig, not enough zag. Damn. I'm not throwing straight at that. I am. I have to get back into PBA mode. Straight at the spares. I'm gonna choose what I think your best balls are, and I'm gonna go best to worst. Actually, I'm gonna mix them in there. I'm gonna let you throw your reality first.
All right.
Because I think you like that ball a lot.
I do love this ball.
I want you to throw your good balls early.
Yeah.
But I think if I could go good ball, bad ball, good ball, bad ball, that would split up some strikes, so. I should have had him throw it in the 10th.
Hook's a little early on this
I should have had him throw it in the 10th.
HPL lanes. Guess you could say I'm in PBA mode.
PBA mode, you're getting ready for the tour. Are you trying to bowl any events in the summer?
I'm gonna try.
Or just the same?
I'm gonna try if I can.
Yeah.
This lane was a little tighter than the right lane in practice. So I moved to right. That was a little better. I moved to right. I knew the left lane was tighter based off practice. I honestly think I just got a little adrenaline and gassed the first one. We're settled in now.
I hope you get unsettled quickly. What's the move? The right lane's tighter, so if I just move a little left, we'll be all right. Yeah, I have the lanes like 8 different, so if I move like 6, I'll be all right.
I'm about aim. Did you like that one, or?
I threw it where I wanted to. That's my problem.
Oh.
I should have straight up just moved less, because I think with the shiny balls, the lanes are more similar than with the solid ball. What ball's up next? The solid balls hook early, and there's no oil early. So like when there's less oil on this lane, or when there's more oil on this lane and less on that lane, like my ball hooks early and dies over there, which makes it way more different than like a clean ball that kind of gets through that early hook. So with the cleaner ball, the lanes are going to be a little more similar than with a big hooking Rhino Pro.
I think the ethos is a little bit stronger.
You think the ethos is stronger? You want me to throw the ethos?
Yeah, it looks tall too, so yeah, throw that one.
It's my favorite ball.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think it is very
Right
good.
now, this is my league ball. I'm not even going to move over there. I'm just going to see what happens.
You're crazy?
Okay, I'll move 2. I'll move 2.
All right, what ball?
I like that virtual energy blackout.
Oh my gosh, I love this ball.
What? You love that ball?
Oh yeah.
Maybe you won't love it as much today.
No, this ball shapes more than anything else.
Okay, good. I hope it shapes right to a big 4. Right to a big 4.
I'm moving 3 left.
Nothing would make me happier in this world than seeing you big 4. No, not like that.
A little behind it. A little hard again.
It's the hardest spare in the game.
Fun fact, the only miss spare of the week was a 10 pin.
Your only miss spare of the week was a 10 pin?
Yes.
You must not have bowled very much.
I made 5 210s this week.
5 210s this week? Maybe you should stop leaving them.
Yeah, that was also the problem.
How many did you leave? Like 20?
Like 7.
Oh, really? High percentage. Yeah, I bet you missed one on the first couple.
Nope.
Really?
Started off like 2 for 2.
Oh, damn. Usually I'll miss the first couple, but then if I leave it again, I'll get like lined in.
I was dialed the whole week. Spares were
You're just ready to go.
I was ready. This is 2 right off of the other lanes. This lane's tighter. Hook. Stop hooking. Oh, a little right.
Congratulations.
It's not a good rhythm though. I need strike.
I thought it would be more fun if we threw 5 balls for 2 frames apiece, because then you'd get a chance to like line in a little bit with the ball,
and then
immediately switch balls. Real quick, we're doing a holiday special for our merch now through the end of November. All you got to do is use code TURKEY at checkout when you go to thehousebowling.com. We got plenty of new designs, plenty of new merch that you might not have seen, and we got a new discount code. Use code TURKEY for 10% off when you go to thehousebowling.com. The move's definitely gonna be 2 left. This lane is, I'm still a firm believer that this lane's tighter, just not by much. That shot was so bad.
That's weird. Packy gets a hit in his video.
That shot was so bad. What ball you want me to throw, big dog?
Throw the Rhino.
Throw the Rhino?
I've seen you strike with it, so.
I was hoping you would leave that one for last.
Yeah, that probably wasn't a good choice on a double.
I thought it was a great choice.
Yeah, of course you did. Football.
You're on a strike. It's either the Eternity Pie or the Journey or the Zen. Throw the Zen. It's a fun little game to learn your arsenal.
Daddy's in ball.
Daddy Zen ball, okay. I feel like you did bring a lot of balls that you know.
Do your clean balls not hook more than your big balls?
They do. Yeah, I was standing 2 further right with the Eternity than I was the Rhino.
Okay. All right, this is 1 right off the virtual. I didn't love it. Yeah. Wasn't very good.
I saw you leave that hand up, and for you, that doesn't usually.
That was not great.
You got to work on that Chris Prather move. Hey, good spare.
Thanks.
Spare. Yeah, I do feel like with the Rhino, though, I got to move like 5 left on this lane. I just can't get it to the left.
Hook in the front or?
Yeah. And miss inside. What ball's up next? I gotta finish with what?
With the new.
With the new?
Yeah, I think it's gonna make the lanes the most different for you.
I would agree.
We're gonna throw
Hazmat up next. A couple scuffs from this weekend's events.
From landing into the gutter at RSU.
Might be from that video.
I throw that in that video?
Mm-hmm.
I tried to land it on 38.
First time you drilled it was in the
First time I threw it was in the opposite lane gutter. That's right. I was wondering why my ball was warped. Back on my game here. I really wish you would have let me finish with that ball.
I just knew it was gonna roll good, so.
That ball is mine.
You really just have some good balls down here. I really should have started. I should have left the zigzag for last.
You should throw the Journey. I do feel like the Journey's the most similar. I don't think that ball's that bad. I don't think it's anything that's phenomenal. It probably looks good for you though.
It is phenomenal.
I thought you'd say that. For you, I bet it is.
It rolls very.
That Eternity Pie, I think I tried to save the biggest move for last.
It's not a big move.
I think those make the most different shapes though.
It's really simple.
I think you're going to be absolutely battling the front of the lane.
All right, this is 1 left with the Journey off the Zen.
I hope you
Same spot
buck
as the virtual.
I hope you buck it.
I'm stuck in the college 3-pin shot a little bit.
Your ball hooked early.
Yeah.
Spare shooter? You're stuck in that college spare shooting game too where you make them all?
Yeah, dude, it's crazy.
Brutal.
Hate to see it.
If you're looking to bowl in college, make your spares. They cannot pull you out of the game if you don't miss your spares. Unless you shoot 150, but if you shoot 150 and make all your spares,
Same spot. Well, 1 left of the Zen.
good choice.
Just throw it better. Belmo ball, though.
Elmo.
Best one yet, by far. All right, we need a miss here.
You need a miss, not we.
Don't throw it bad.
I won't. This is motivating me to
What was
really
that move?
lock in. 2 left?
That was 2 lefts.
Yeah. Off this lane? Yeah. Off my
well-
last ball, that was like a billion to the right.
Yeah, that's why I was like,
Off my last ball, it was only 2 left.
I got you.
The lanes are only 2 different. Or are they 8? I only got 1 ball left, so.
Play strike. Big shot for 6 here.
I might just go left and give him the pipe.
You're not like that.
I'm like this.
It hooked so early.
I am like that though. The 5'10", that is my head.
It hooked so early.
Good game.
Good game.
The game is far from over. Eternity Pie though. That ball's all right.
It's my one ball in college.
You use that ball a lot?
Yeah. It's my new reality replacement.
Okay. Good luck. That's big time right there.
We're not done yet.
You need a double.
So
Yeah,
that-
I'm on my bad lane. You're on your good lane. This is perfect. You've only missed once on lane 3 before this frame. Before this frame.
All right, I'm looking at a one right. I feel like they're starting to hook a little bit. Oh, go. La loser.
I'm gonna move 3 left.
Money.
Splitting the 4-5. Maybe I should go one more. If you were to organize my balls differently, what would you have done?
Zigzag definitely would have gone last.
Zigzag in the 10?
In the 10.
Move like 10, right? Why, you want to see how versatile I am? Okay.
Speed control.
It's like,
New
yeah, like
blue.
10-ish. What?
New blue.
The new blue. Maybe you should have played 10 at the 10. All right, guys. Well, another easy dub against Ryan. All right. All right, we had another blast with Ryan on the channel. Once again, if you guys want to see some other ball reviews or some other fun stuff, he does a lot of really cool things on his channel. You got to click that link down below in the description for Barnsey Bowling on YouTube. We'd like to give a shout out to Eastgate Lanes for hosting us. They opened up a little early for us today so we could host some fun challenges. Eastgate Lanes, so check them out. Thanks for watching. We love all you guys. Almost as much as we love bowling. Almost.